Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can put your Twitter or X account link to the Instagram. For that, you just need to open the X app. Here on the top left corner, you can see the profile icon. Just tap on it. Then here on the option, you can see the profile. Just tap on it. Then your profile page will be open. On the top right corner, you can see three dotted line. Just tap on it. Then choose the share option. Here on the top, you can see the link of the Twitter or X app. Just tap on the right corner, copy, then your link will be copied. Then go back, open your Instagram. As you can see that my Instagram app has already been opened. Here on the bottom corner, you can see the profile icon. Just tap on it. So once your profile will be open, just tap on edit profile. Here you can see that near share profile, here is the edit profile option. Just tap on it. Then here is the option of add link. Just tap on it. Then just click on the plus option. Then the previously link which you have copied of the X account, you just need to paste here and write the title here, Twitter link. Then you need to tap on the top right option. Then your Twitter link has already been pasted on the Instagram account. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.